kulay yung kuko nila.
Attorney tries to explain it, but of course, it will be
for the UN Institute University or C.
Of Cebu. Merong
we have, of course, we have prepared. Pinahaya ko sa kanya, hindi ko siya binabate. So, yeah.
Diba? May chance pa ba silang magkaroon?
Kasi as someone from Imperial Manila, wala akong masyadong... Kaya excited po akong bumalik sa Manila after ng networking.
Siya ang susi sa ating tagumpay.
Yeah, but again, we leverage the strength of the institute. They're also here with us, but they're in another room.
Evidence-based plans that we
tayo siya. Ay, shit! Wala pa tayo. Down. Oh, shit! Sobrahan ng work.
wage and irregular employee.
Na po sa Southern Palawan.
Sulat sa laptop, tapos biglang
That's format for the presentation.
We talk about climate change and
Societies and pilot project. So we're very...
Who is here for... Because I have former bosses here.
To the creators of our program to a close...
In key barangay.
as din namin kakain.
Ilayo sila sa pakamapansing na santo ninyo, sa trabaho, sa negosyo, tulungan niyo.
Thank you, CNT Lechon. Sponsor us. Yes, bye. Ganito ko kayo kamahal. Yan, daming yan. Ganun lang.